This is the NIDS COVID-19 antigen home test for over-the-counter at-home use. For best results, please blow nose prior to testing to remove excess mucus. Remove the test device from foil pouch and lay it on a flat surface. Remove the white cap from the collection tube and place the tube into the hole within the box insert. Remove the swab from the packaging. Swab both nostrils of the individual carefully as shown. Insert the entire soft tip of the swab into the individual's first nostril about 3/4 of an inch. Firmly brush against the entire inner walls of the nostril in a complete circle at least 4 times. Do not just spin the swab. Remove the swab. Using the same swab, repeat in the other nostril. For testing children, the maximum depth of insertion into the nostril may be less than 3/4 of an inch. You may also need another adult to hold the child's head while swabbing. Remove the collection tube from the box insert holder and insert the swab into the collection tube containing buffer liquid. Plunge the swab up and down for 15 seconds. Be careful not to contaminate the swab and avoid spilling or splashing of the collection tube contents. Remove the swab while squeezing the sides of the tube to extract all of the liquid. Firmly cap the collection tube with attached dropper tip. Invert collection tube and tap the side of tube to remove any air bubbles from dropper tip. Hold the dropper tip about 1/4 of an inch vertically above the test device's sample well. Use both hands if needed. Slowly squeeze the tube until all of the liquid, at least 5 drops, is dispensed into the sample well. Do not touch the sample well with the dropper tip. Do not hold the dropper more than 1/4 inch above the sample well. Wait 15 minutes. On the left, this is a positive result. Any visible pink-purple test line is positive. On the right is a negative result. If there are no lines showing, the test is invalid. If the test line is seen but the control line is not, the test is invalid. For technical support, call ANP Technologies at 1-302-283-1730.